Hi everyone, this is Nadine and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be doing air fried chicken wings. So I'm going to be showing you how I do everything from scratch. So seasoning the chicken wings and how I use the air fryer to also prepare the chicken wings. So here I have the chicken wings already thawed. So I am going to be seasoning it with some Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. So this is Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. So I'll add a little of that. And then I'll be adding some Caribbean spice and garlic. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some Walker's Wood hot and spicy jerk seasoning. This is very hot and spicy, so you don't want to put too much. And also, because this is chicken wings, I blend my garlic, my natural onion and garlic. So this is my natural onion and garlic that has already been blended and pureed, so it can marinate well in the chicken. Because you know chicken wings doesn't have a lot of skin or meat for it to marinate deeply, right? So I use the blended onion and garlic to help kind of get that taste onto the chicken wings. And we Caribbean people mostly use our hands to get in there and season it thoroughly. Make sure the seasoning is being incorporated thoroughly. So you can just use your hands, clean hands, and kind of rub it in to make sure that all the seasoning get on to the chicken. So then once you have the seasoning rubbed in, then you just let this marinate for say half an hour before you get it ready and prepared for the air fryer. So this is going to be air fried chicken wings. So this is the T-fal air fryer. So I will be putting in the chicken, but first you have to pull this bottom piece out. And then you place your chicken wings in. So this is our chicken wings after it has marinated for a half an hour. So you're just gonna place it inside the air fryer. And the air fryer has a removable top layer in it, so you can always remove it to wash the air fryer when you're done with it. This is what it looks like. So this is after about 12 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be turning it, flipping it over, and then put. So it has been another 13 minutes since I turned the chicken wings over and put it back in the air fryer. So this is what it looks like, you guys, now that it's all finished. Nice and golden brown. So the air fryer is amazing. I love using it, you guys, because it allows you not to use too much oil to fry your chicken or your pork or fish. So I love the fact that it still gives you that nice golden color without having to deep fry it. So this is it. So let me know if you guys have ever used a deep fryer before and how you liked it. So this is it. Nice golden brown, well fried chicken wings. And I will be having this with some steamed vegetable. So some steamed veggie. So this is Brussels sprout with carrot, cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. So I'll be having my chicken wings with my steamed veggie. So let me know, you guys, if you have ever used the air fryer and how you liked it. And also don't forget to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys and have a